To become a 00 window cleaner, you have to clean faster.
I am faster.
How many times faster?
2.
Dr. Grime and his syndicate are terrorizing the city, leaving dirt on windows to cover up the crime behind the glass.
Get me the ultralights.
Yes, boss!
Dr. Grime has infiltrated Reach It and stolen our latest and most powerful cleaning tool, the ultralight.
These are the tools that you'll need. You have the license to clean.
Casino Radiale is holding a high-stakes window cleaner poker tournament on Friday. Dr. Grime has our coveted ultralight. He hates to lose. This is our window of opportunity.
This city deserves a cleaner.
All he cares about is grime. He's become obsessed, stockpiling all the fastest cleaning tools.
Dawn, shaken, not stirred.
Doesn't the height bother you? Cleaning all those windows?
I wouldn't be very good at my job if it did.
I'm here to clean up the cleaners.
I'm all in, and you're all out.
Not exactly. Feel the dark magic. And I won't stop. Feel. What are you gonna do with it?
He's gonna sell it, darling. He's gonna sell a lot of them.
Where?
Cleaning. Future of cleaning. Ultralight. Don't do that. It's your fault, Carl. Alright.
Many times.
Yeah.
Just roll it.
Okay, go.
To become a double O window cleaner, you have to clean faster.
Thank you. Do you want to do it again?
To become a double O window cleaner, you have to clean faster.
Okay.
Doesn't the height bother you? Cleaning all those windows?
Maybe.
Light. Whoa.
So do you think the second light should be higher so my face doesn't go into the shadow?
Yeah.
I'm here to clean up the cleaners.
You have the license to. I'm sorry.